What's up out there, all you fellow YouTubers? J Speed just checking in. Say, if you got a situation where your Generation 1, Generation 2 Toyota Prius 01 basically to 09 is having some sort of a brake problem, well, you better hope Toyota replaces it under warranty, because it's probably the hardest part to get out on the whole car. Okay, so if those lights light up and you hear that ever constant beeping in that manner, what you're gonna want to do is a last ditch effort. Isn't that annoying? Like on Dumb and Dumber when they're like so you're gonna want to check out your brake pump right there, hydraulic brake pump that's right up there. What we're gonna do, get you as close as possible. I'll tell you a little about it. See those 4 bolts, that drain? Well, those got to come out, the plate's got to come off in order to get that out. And as you can see, there's just 2 little bolts that hold the motor on in question, which is one there and one on the other side is where they go into the motor, and they bolt it all the way in. It almost sounds like it's working, but it's cycling on and off right now, actually. And I may have something in my eye, but I can tell you one thing for sure. It's not an easy part to replace. You may want to try, you know, get something up in that drain. You got to push it past. You'll see if you look in there. I'm not going to call it something explicit, but you got to push it past that point and then spray and pray that it starts working properly again. You know, get it up in there. And then, let's just take a look at that for a second. If that doesn't work, you pretty much only have one other thing you can do. And that is, basically, if you own a small ball peen hammer, want to take that small ball peen hammer now I'm talking, there's right spots to hit stuff and wrong spots to hit stuff, but there we go. As you can see, this is probably about the worst looking one I've ever seen. Life living in the northern climate with the sun really doesn't help, but working again now. The beep is gone. J Speed, peace out.